To finish the courses, there's just a couple more things you need to do once you've added the content. You need to be able to come to settings, and for each course, you need to add its categories and its GPA scale. Now, I'm going to go here on your categories. I have already created 4 of them for you, and I'll show you where those are and how you add those. But you can add any one, so you can just pick this, and you can have as many of these categories as you want. You add it like that, or you can subtract it. The same thing with your GPA scale. It's just added here. Now, let's go back and just look to see where do you do that and how do you do it. And those are both in organization. You come to branch management. Organization, and you come to academic settings. And here's your GPA calculations. This is really good. You already have this already entered. I just want to show you one other thing if you want to use it. Here you have this little wheel that's here. And then what this will do is if a GPA falls below a certain level, like maybe someone falls below a 2.0, it will notify, you can put someone to notify. So if you want to have your registrar, you want to have an instructor, whoever you want to do, you can just search for that person. And so let's say that it's for, there you go. You can put, someone in here to get that notification, and you can put as many people in as you want that will get that notification, and then you can notify, I want to be notified if their overall GPA falls below 2. These are just some options for you that you can use or not use depending on what you want. I just wanted to show you that. Otherwise, this is completely done. This is your undergrad, so if you want to add any other ones, you would just add a different group. That seems to be done really well. You've also done your course scheduler really nicely here with all the different schedules and when they start and stop. So those are the other 2 things you need there. Then let's just go look at the categories. That is in the branch management. You come in here and you see categories. Now the categories are going to be used when you actually do the marketplace and people can self-enroll. So I have just taken from your course catalog these 4 major concepts, but you can then continue to add, so you can put underneath here, so maybe Bible, so maybe you want to add that it's New Testament, whatever you want to do. You can put this as many as you want or as few as you want. In the meantime, if you just want to start with these 4, that's fine, but that will give you, that's what you use this for, is the categories. So I would suggest that possibly in your categories that you also put in year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, or numbers, so that you can be able to limit people by how many years you, like let's say year 1 or courses like 200 and below or something like that. So if you want to be able to have someone in the marketplace only see the Bible classes that are available for them in year 1, you can do that. You can search by that. If you want year 2, whatever. You don't have to do this. This is just a suggestion. But anyway, you need to have that to come back into all of your courses, and when they're published, you need to make sure that you have added in your category and your GPA scale. Right? That's the one thing's left to do on the, and let's come back to the syllabus. And this is again where on your syllabus, you've got your numbers, everything's fine. Make sure you have your course description. And then this is exactly where you have your scheduled start. And this looks really good as to what you're doing here. Okay, that's that on the courses.